So we have the first kinematics problem. So for this problem, it says a car starts from rest and accelerates at 7 meters per second squared. What is the car's velocity after 5 seconds? So the first thing we're going to do is write down what we're given in the problem. So it says a car starts from rest. So what that means is that it has an initial velocity of 0. So we should write that down first. So that means VI is going to be 0. And we also know that the acceleration is going to be 7 meters per second squared. So that means we also have A is equal to 7 meters per second squared. And then for the rest of the problem, it says, what is the car's velocity after 5 seconds? So T is going to be 5 seconds. So those are the three things that were given in the problem. Now, what are we trying to find? Well, it's asking what is the car's velocity after 5 seconds. So we want to solve for the final velocity, which is VF. So we're trying to find VF. So we have to look at the kinematic equations and see which one of them has the variables VI, A, T, and VF. Because we're given VI, A, and T, and we're trying to solve for VF. So we have to find an equation that has all these variables in it. Well, if we look at the kinematic equations, we see that this one here contains all of them. So it has 4 variables in it. We're given 3 of them, so we can solve for the last variable, which is VF. So let's do that. So all I have to do is plug in the values for VI, A, and T. Well, we know VI is 0, so we can just cross that off. So we just have to plug in what A and T are equal to. So A is going to be 7 meters per second squared. And then T is going to be 5 seconds. So then just multiply 7 by 3 and you get 35. And let's keep the units here. So we have meters per second squared times seconds. So we have seconds squared in the denominator and then seconds in the numerator. So this seconds cancels off, and then we just have units of seconds in the denominator. So our final units are going to be meters per second, which makes sense because it's a velocity. So our final answer is going to be 35 meters per second. And that gives us our final velocity.